Sa kaugnay na balita, mariing pinabulaanan ng palasyo ang pagkakadawit ng 3 babae sa Malacanang na nagsilbi umanong bagman sa transaksyon ni Janet Lim Napoles. Sinabi ni PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma na walang basehan ang nasabing akusasyon. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni Rocky Ignacio.
Nanindigan ng Malacanang na hindi kayang tibagin ang commitment ni Pangulong Aquino sa tuwid ng pamunuan at tinahitahing report ukol sa pork barrel scam. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, handa ang Aquino administration na ipagtanggoy ang sangay na ehekutibo na ang ilan ay natawid sa anomalya. Kabilang kasi sa sinasabing sangkot sa maling paggamit ng PDAF, ang umanay ilang kaalyado kabilang na sina Budget Secretary Butchabad, Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala at TESDA Director General Joel Villanueva.
That goes into the theory that, everybody's trying to burn the house down. The palace stands ready to defend itself. We in the palace have committed ourselves to Daang Matuwid.
Magkagayman, tiniyak pa rin ng palasyo na wala namang sisinuhin sa investigasyon ng pork barrel scam. Nauna nang binanggit na isa sa whistleblower sa kanyang affidavit ng nakaraang taon na nakipagtransak umano si Abad sa itinuturong mastermind na si Janet Lim Napoles noong nasa Kongreso pa.
Sir, may we know who is investigating Secretary Abad at this point?
There is none because we're waiting for the extended affidavit.
So there is no probe yet that involves any cabinet official.
There are allegations, as you know, but due process would require that the person accused is provided information of the accusation against him.
Sorry.
We have not seen any signed affidavit from Ms. Napoles.
Kasunod nito, pinabulaanan rin ng palasyo ang pagsasangkot kina Rochelle Ahoro, Undersecretary Odette Ong at Lucille Ortiz na umani bagman ni Napoles. Sa statement ni Ong, mahigpit nitong pinabulaanan ng akusasyon pati ng umanong paghawak nito ng Finance at Administration Department ng Office of the President.
I would like to comment on the totality of the information provided by that alleged source. FYI, Lucille Ortile has been out of government for the longest. She has not been working for the palace or under the executive secretary. She resigned, I believe. Let me check her date of resignation, but she has not been with government since. So I don't know if the source perhaps should update the information. It's definitely incorrect. We have a saying in law, falsus in unus, falsus in omnibus. False in one, false in all. So the fact that you have identified someone who's no longer in government as a bag lady shows the quality of the source.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.